Guys, today we'll talk about how can you add about your on your WordPress app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on account and settings down here on your name. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just click on my profile. So then you come to next here, click here on about me, you just click on it. Then here add your bio here or about you click on OK, then it's going to add with you on your WordPress app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.